Hello friends, welcome to my channel Code with PK. So in this class I will tell you box shadow in CSS and I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like that video, share friends and subscribe to my channel. So now let's start the video. So in this class I will tell you box shadow in CSS and then I will tell you then that series will be and CSS series will end, so we can start the Python series to get ready. So now we are going to our class. So first of all I will be open my Sublime text editor and my index.html file will already made it, but it is not accurate, so I will be erase it and save. And my style.css I will be made style.css, so it will be made. So I go to the index.html file and there we can write HTML and title should be box shadow and box shadow. Then we can go here and here first of all we can link the file style.css and I will be side by side open it and I will be go to the here. And now I will be define one button. What is the button? Button should be of read more and we can save refresh, so it is coming like that. And now here I will we go here we can write text align should be center, font size should be 26 pixels, save, refresh. So here is come like that. So here we can write like button padding should be 26 pixels, 20 pixels, save. So 20 pixels like that. Width should be also 20 pixels, save, refresh. So width should be 20 not, width should be 50 pixels, save, refresh. 50 is also not. Here we can write 150, save, refresh 150, alright. And now I will be go to the size and here we can write 15, save, refresh. So it is coming like that. 15 is so small. Here we can write 18, save and refresh. And here I will be erase it and here we can write background should be crimson and here we can write width should be 16%, save, refresh. So it is coming like that. Here we can see it. And here we can write border radius should be 20 pixels, save, refresh. 20 pixels solid should be FF, save, refresh. And here it is coming like that. And here we can write border should be FF, save, refresh. So not and here we can write like border should be none. And here we can write like border and here we can write like color should be FF, and here we can write border should be 1 pixel solid orange, save, refresh. So it is coming like that, but for the radius is not coming, save, refresh. So for the radius is also coming. So now I will be define a box shadow should be 0, 0, 40 pixels, save, refresh. So here you can see shadow is coming like that, box shadow. So box shadow I will be give like 40 pixels, save, refresh. And now I will be give box shadow should be 0, 0 should be like I will be give 4 pixels should be 2 pixels, save, refresh. So here you can see the box shadow is coming like that. So that in this class I will tell you how to give box shadow in CSS, and I hope you enjoy this class and enjoy, like that video, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel. So I will meet you in next class for today. Goodbye.